Hey y'all, Midnight Soul 13. Evidently, we did get some rain at some point, but you really can't tell. See how dry it is? Only way I found out is because I had a witch's pot on a hook out here, on a shepherd's hook, and it had water in it, and I'm like, where'd that come from? But you can't tell it. It's so dry. Maybe we'll get some more better rain. But yeah, that's it. So how y'all doing? How's your day going? What are you doing? Enjoy the day. Enjoy the rain if you're getting it. Watch out for the idiots that are out there that don't know how to drive in the rain. Yeah. Here, every idiot in the state and surrounding states get here and just, they're out of control. And the youngsters that can't stay off of their phones pay more attention to their phones than they do what they're doing. I think that's worse than, the DUIs. I think, yeah, I think your phone should be just outlawed while you're in the vehicle. They made the law here where it's hands free only. If you get caught even sitting in your car somewhere, then you can get charged if you got your phone in your hand. So, yeah. Does people mind the law? No. They think it don't apply to them. When I got to drive, my phone didn't, if I was stopped somewhere, then I might check it just to make sure it wasn't an emergency. But as far as going down the road, I think I've done it a couple times, but it's just not worth it. So, yeah, I just get to sit here and look at nature now because I don't think the Jeep will ever be fixed. It's too expensive. Way too expensive. Like everything else in today's world. Today's crazy, evil world that we are living in. So, there you go on that note. Oh well. Yeah, I'm still waiting on some rain, but I swear I don't know. Hello. See him? Oh, there he went. I don't know when it rained. Maybe last night or early this morning when I was asleep. Finally. I even slept in till 10 o'clock today because it was so late when I went to bed. Having trouble sleeping. That's the way it is with bipolar. Sometimes you can sleep, other times you stay awake for days. And then when you crash, you still get up 3 or 4 hours later. It's weird. It's hard. And I've really been having some issues with it. Thanks to the new medication that I still haven't gotten used to. I may have to have him change it. Because it's just, it's not helping at all. It did when I first started taking it. It'd make me sleep, but it started doing a whole lot of depression. A whole lot. I think it's getting a little better as far as the depression goes. But around 3:30 in the afternoon, it hits, and I can't understand that. Why a certain time it hits. Oh, there's a little blue, tiny blue butterfly. It's so pretty. I can't show you because it went under the steps. Nice. Nice, nice. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ooh. Oh, that hurt. There's another butterfly. Where are they coming from? Under the porch? This one's a little bigger. He's over there somewhere. He, she, it, I don't know. Now it's gone. Boy, them things is fast, just like the hummingbirds. Yeah, I'll share my nature with y'all. Unfortunately, I have to share the other stuff that goes with it that has nothing to do with me. Nothing to do with me. I gotta bring the garbage bin back down here. I'll get to it. I'll get to it whenever I get to it. Hang on, y'all. Okay, the neighbor came out, getting in the car. I didn't want to talk, because voices travel unless you're on this phone, and then they're not worth tits on a boar hog. But anywho, I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna jump off the phone. I hear another hummingbird. Is that little one? I can't tell. Yeah, it's that little one. That little tiny one. Let me see. Can you see it right there? That's that little tiny, tiny baby. Look at it. There he went. There he went. So yeah, y'all have a good one. Try to be happy. Stay blessed, safe, happy, and healthy. And I'll chat with you on the next video whenever. I'm out. See ya.